How to know if someone has blocked you on a Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can know if someone has blocked you on Telegram app. Now, if you open up the Telegram app, you'll get an interface like this. If you head into a certain chat, you can see I've sent a chat to this person and you can see they're recently active at their profile username and then the two tick mark at the chat, which means the message has been delivered and has been read by them. Now, the first thing that can indicate that you have been blocked is if their last seen is not showing up. Now, if someone has blocked you on Telegram app, then you won't be able to view their last seen. And when you send a certain message here, if you find only a single tick on the chat even after a certain hour of time, and even if they have been online, but now you can't know if they are online or offline, but you can see my message has been sent. But if the two tick marks doesn't appear and only a single tick mark appears, then it might mean that they have blocked you on Telegram. This is the only way that you can know that you have been blocked on Telegram. There is no any certain options that you can know and you can see. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.